Imagine a busy, bustling city street. People rushing, cars honking, the cacophony of modern life. Ever wondered what it feels like to be a conductor in a symphony orchestra, but instead of instruments, you're managing tasks, projects, and teams? That's where Asana comes in. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's ask a simple question. What does Asana really mean? Cut to a serene, minimalist office space. A person is calmly working on a computer, surrounded by organized notes and a clean workspace. VoiceOver Asana at its core is a work management platform. But it's more than just a tool. It's a philosophy. It's about bringing order to chaos, turning vague ideas into concrete plans, and fostering collaboration among teams. Understanding the core concepts. Transition to a whiteboard animation. VoiceOver. To truly grasp Asana, we need to understand a few key concepts. Projects. These are the containers for your work. Think of them as virtual folders where you store tasks, deadlines, and assignments. Tasks. These are the individual units of work. They're the building blocks of your projects. Assignees. These are the people responsible for completing tasks. Due dates. These are the deadlines for tasks. Dependencies. These are the relationships between tasks. For example, task A might need to be completed before task B can start. Subtasks. These are smaller, more granular tasks that make up a larger task. Custom fields. These are additional fields you can create to capture specific information about your work. Benefits of using Asana. Cut to a montage of people using Asana in various settings. VoiceOver. Now that we have a solid foundation, let's explore the benefits of using Asana. Increased productivity. By organizing your work in a clear and concise manner, Asana helps you stay focused and avoid distractions. Improved collaboration. Asana makes it easy for teams to communicate and collaborate on projects, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Enhanced visibility. With Asana, you can get a real-time view of your team's progress, identify potential bottlenecks, and take corrective action. Better time management. Asana helps you prioritize tasks and set realistic deadlines, ensuring that your work is completed on time. Simplified workflow. By automating repetitive tasks and workflows, Asana can save you time and effort. Key features and functionality. Transition to a screen recording of Asana in action. VoiceOver. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make Asana so powerful. Kanban boards. These visual boards allow you to organize your tasks into different stages of a workflow. Timeline view. This view gives you a bird's-eye view of your project, showing you how tasks are connected and when they're due. Calendar view. This view helps you visualize your workload and avoid scheduling conflicts. Custom workflows. You can create custom workflows to fit your specific needs and processes. Integrations. Asana integrates with a wide range of other tools, such as Google Calendar, Slack, and Dropbox. Real-world examples. Cut to interviews with people who use Asana. VoiceOver. To get a better sense of how Asana can be used in real-world scenarios, let's hear from some of our users. Interviewee 1. Asana has been a game-changer for our team. It's helped us streamline our processes and get more done in less time. Interviewee 2. I love the flexibility of Asana. I can customize it to fit my specific needs and preferences. Interviewee 3. The collaboration features in Asana are amazing. It's so easy to keep everyone in the loop and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Return to the serene office space. So what does Asana really mean? It's a tool for organizing, collaborating, and getting things done. It's a philosophy of efficiency and productivity. And it's a way to turn chaos into order. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, keep Asana NG.